Today we're showing you a 2024 John Deere 5067E tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor, just under 100 hours on it. Super nice tractor. It's practically a new machine. It does come with the John Deere 520M quick attach front loader. The loader does have the John Deere style quick connect here. Has a 6-foot heavy duty front bucket on it. Does have the hooks on the bucket as well there. Has a front grill guard. Paint is in excellent condition as you would expect. Tires are excellent. Does have 11 224s up front there, 16 928s in the back. Tractor's rated at 67 horsepower. This is a newer emission system with no regen and no DEF required. Single remote back here. Top link and drawbar both with the machine. Also comes with the balance of the John Deere factory warranty, which runs into April of 2029. 12-speed power reversal transmission, allowing direction changes without clutching. Just over 50 hours on this tractor. It's practically a new machine. We do take trades. We also offer financing for qualified customers. We also can arrange delivery here within the U.S. If you have any questions regarding this tractor or any of our other used tractors, please contact us at masttractor.com.